Sadanandan Master?
Yes. Ji, can I start?
No, this is not correct. This is not correct. You are every time you are doing.
This is my two legs. I was a person with strong two legs, but below knee, nowadays, I am using artificial limbs. You, the person, always raising the questions of democracy, but you are intolerant.
No,
you
no.
are intolerant.
Yep.
It's not good. It's not fair.
And Sri Sadanandan Master to move that an address be presented to the President in the following terms. That the members of the Rajya Sabha assembled in this session are deeply grateful to the President for the address which she has been pleased to deliver to both the houses of Parliament assembled together on January 28, 2026. Sadanandan Master?
Yes. Ji, can I start?
No, this is not correct. This is not correct. You are every time you are doing. I am sorry to say, honorable members, every time you are disturbing the house, this is not correct. Nothing will go on record what they are saying except Sadanandan Master's move. Please,
Honorable Chairman, sir,
1 minute, let him.
with your permission, I move the motion that the members of Rajya Sabha assembled in this session are deeply grateful to the President for the address which she has been pleased to deliver to both the Houses of Parliament assembled together on January 28, 2026. Honorable Chairman, sir, it's a matter of great pride and honor to me that I am given an opportunity to thank Honorable President on her speech and express my views on the same. Sir, before I enter the subject, I want to say about myself something before this honorable House. Sir,
Shriman, oh, एक मिनट श्रीमान श्री Sadanandan Master ji, you have to make your speech in support of the motion. 15 minutes have been allocated to you. You have to conclude within that 15 minutes.
Thank you,
Now,
sir.
go ahead.
Sir, what I am going to say is, sir, this is my two legs. I was a person with strong two legs, but below knee, nowadays, I am using artificial limbs. Why? Because the democracy, every time I am hearing from this house about democracy, democracy, democracy. But those who are roaring about democracy, they committed an attack upon me 31 years ago in Kerala. The CPM leaders, according to their advice, the workers of CPIM,
Let him speak.
31 years ago,
Let him speak. If anything is
1994
unparliamentary, I will
January
remove it. You please,
At
my
night-
dear. Let him speak.
I was on the way
You
to
can,
my
you
home
can reply to
after
him when your turn comes, sir.
returning from uncle's house after discussing the marriage, which was fixed that time, discussing about the marriage of my sister. I was returning to my home. That time, in a bazaar, an organized criminals caught me immediately after get down from the bus. They caught me from backside and put me down on the road and cut off two legs. They were shouting about Inqilab Zindabad. They were shouting about democracy.
You have every
But,
right
sir,
to answer to it
please,
when your turn
please,
comes. Now, you are
please.
also going to speak in that.
Why I show this here is We have
No,
to,
he is asking me why he should be allowed to sit and speak.
The reason for his inability to
yes, sir.
Nothing will
Thank
go
you, sir.
on record
Thank you,
except
sir. Thank you,
Sadananda Master's
In
speech.
this particular situation, so Bitaji, please, you are intolerant.
Bitaji,
You are intolerant. Intolerant. I want to show before the nation. I want to show
him
before
speak.
the people. I want to show before the members of this. What is democracy? You are always telling about
are going to
democracy.
reply now.
You are always telling about democracy. You are always telling about tolerance.
I will allow
You
you
are
when you are
always
going-
telling about
day, point of
humanity.
order, you just-
But your commitment is based on the political violence. Political violence
Yes.
is not good for
all other
democracy.
on what road?
That's
All
why,
yes,
sir,
please, on a point of
I
order, why you
show
are
this
shouting? You are-
here.
you are
I show
please-
this.
Let
I
him-
show this here. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
What
sir.
rule, please?
So
You tell me what rule?
Yes, sir. I am quoting the rule. Sir, my point of order is to ensure that you are ruling in the House that we should not display objects, bats, all those things. He is objecting, he is displaying it. And further,
What is he displaying?
Sir, further, sir, it's not possible, sir. Sir, please.
Bitaji.
Sir,
can
you know
ask him.
it.
I can-
Sir, you
One
know
minute.
it.
One
And
minute.
secondly,
One minute.
he is deviating
One
from the
minute, one
topic.
minute. I will ask him to put his artificial legs down. Let him speak.
We'll do it.
Let him speak. Let him speak. Please, Baidy. Let him speak.
He is assigning the reason why he's not.
No.
Be
Let-
patient, Bitaji.
No.
Be
No.
patient. Why
No,
you are
Bitaji.
not patient?
No cast
Why
of
you are
please.
raising question? Why you are roaring?
No,
Why you are roaring? This is
Sadanandan-
democracy. You are always
Sadanandan
telling about
Masterji.
democracy. You are always
Sadanandan
telling
Masterji.
democracy. But what is democracy?
Nothing
What is democracy?
nothing
Yes,
will go on
sir.
record except Sadanandan Master's speech. Now you take it. No. Bitaji.
Master Ji,
Yes, yes.
Minister,
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Honorable
Honorable
Chairman, sir.
Minister, you are a minister, you please take your seat. Bitaji. No. Bitaji, you look. No. Bitaji. No.
Why you are provoked? Why you are
Whatever Bitaji is saying will not go on record.
Why you
Nothing
are
will go on record except his speech.
You the
Sadanandan
person
Master.
always telling about democracy. You the person always raising the questions of democracy. But you are intolerant.
No.
You are intolerant.
Yep.
It's not good. It's not fair. Please be seated. Be
Bitaji,
patient. Be
I
patient.
asked you to
Please.
sit. Why you are
Please.
shouting?
Let me
No, sit.
complete my speech.